This video is all about showing you that you can cook rice and peas without using red kidney beans that we call peas in Jamaica. For example, I use black beans, sometimes I use cowpeas, and now I am using cranberry beans, which is actually cranberry peas in Jamaica. Just giving the beans another wash, and then I am putting them into about, maybe that is about 4 cups of water. I'm not sure. In Jamaica we don't measure stuff. Whenever you see me measure anything, it's just for the internet. Okay, we don't measure stuff and we always get it right. So I am adding few pimento seeds, garlic, and a piece of ginger as well. So I'm gonna put this to cook on an open fire just to help me with the gas.